Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Prakash Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we're going to be doing an easy breakfast smoothie. So let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, almond milk. Second, epigama. We're going to put about 4 tablespoons of epigama, natural, unsweetened. Next, half a fresh mango plus 2 scoops of your favorite protein powder. And our rich and creamy mango choco smoothie is ready. And now we are going to garnish the same . So a mango choco smoothie is ready. It's a perfect meal post your breakfast. Why? Because it's loaded with probiotics. That means it's going to keep your gut much stronger. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek score, pilates and awesome amazing recipes. Also request you to please share the channel with as many friends and family people possible so that they get to know about us and they can benefit by the same. Thank you so much. Looking forward to see you next time.